If you need to get out of jury duty, see if you can postpone your serve date. Many courts allow one postponement. If you're given the option to request when your next serve date is, choose a date in December, since you'll be least likely to get called in then. You may also be able to get out of jury duty with a valid doctor's note if you have a medical or mental health condition that would prevent you from serving. Some states allow full-time students to be excused from jury duty. If serving on a jury and missing several days or weeks of work would cause a serious financial burden on you, you may be able to get out of jury duty. You would need to provide proof of income, financial statements, and your year's previous tax returns to the court along with your request. Another option is to share any biases you hold during the jury selection process that would prevent you from being fair and impartial, which may disqualify you from serving. Keep in mind that lying to get out of jury duty can result in steep fines and even jail time. Always be honest when you're using an excuse to get out of serving.